This happens when a person functions all day long, reacts, has to, should, fulfills expectations, and never has a moment that truly belongs to them. And then it's 2 a.m. The world is silent. No one needs anything, no one writes, no one demands. And in this silence it feels for the first time like you have your life back in your hands. So you stay awake, not because you're not tired, but because you're finally free. You reach for your phone, for videos, for meaningless things. Not to stay awake, but to not give up control again. You're not running away from sleep. You're running away from the feeling that your day never belonged to you. For a few minutes of freedom, you willingly accept the exhaustion of the next morning. And the sad thing is, the emptier your day is, the more you search for yourself at night. Healing begins when the day belongs to you again. Not just the night.